What's up guys, this is Ezzedine here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video I'll be showing you Windows 10 settings you should change right now. Welcome back. So first of all we head on to the start menu. From it we head on to the gear, select settings. Good. Next we scroll down until we find update and security. Click on it, check for updates, so wait a few seconds. No updates are available till now. Next we select change active hours. Automatically adjust active hours for this device based on the activities. So next we head on to change active hours, just change PM or AM. Change the hours you want and click on save. Good. Next we head on to advanced options. On advanced options you can turn on receive update for other Microsoft products, switch it on. Download updates over metered connections, just keep it off. And restart the device as soon as possible. When a restart is required, just keep it off in order to not to interrupt your work. Good. And at last we have update notification, just turn it on as the PC will notify you. And it is very important, you can pause updates to a certain dates. Let's go back. Next we head on to delivery optimization. Delivery optimization provides you with Windows and store updates and other Microsoft products quickly and reliably, which is in a word sharing your internet connection, as your PC may send parts of previously downloaded Windows updates and apps to PCs on your local network. Good, so make sure it is off. This may slow down your connections or it may put your privacy into danger. Let's close this. Go back to search, just type in system configuration, system restore point. Click on create a restore point. Good. Make sure it is on and create a restore point. In order, if you face any problems, then you have a restore point where you can fix all the issues, or if you have installed any software but it appears it has some conflicts with other Windows files, then you can correct this by going back. Just turn on system protection and increase the size. The minimum is 5% to make sure that always you are playing safe and you have a point where to go back and restart from a reliable state. Next option, let's head back to start menu, control panel, settings, and here we'll select apps. From apps select default apps. Here you can select all the default apps that you want to use if you are using multiple softwares. For example, the internet browsers, you can use Google Chrome or Firefox instead of Microsoft Edge. Photos, movies and TVs, etc. Good. And not using the default apps. Let's go back, select system, From system, we'll select notifications and actions. Turn off all the notifications at once and you will not be notified. You want not to be bothered if you are doing work. Just select the on and off switcher. Next we head on to the sound. You can adjust the volume or the microphone. Good. Next setting is to head on to accounts. From accounts, you head on to sign in options. Okay, here you can select the different options you can use for signing in if you have any problems logging in to your computer. So just set it up. Use my sign in info to automatically finish setting up my device and reopen my apps after an update. Just switch it off. Okay, let's go back. Now we head on to Cortana. Good. Select talk to Cortana. Lock screen. Use Cortana even when your device. Next we head on to permissions and more details. Make sure Cortana can hear you. So here you can switch on and off your microphone and the use of Cortana. You can use it even when your device is locked, maybe activated, so just switch it off. Turn off all the options. Here you can select the language that you want to use instead of the default language. Let's go back and now we head on to privacy, very important tab. Good. As you can see here, there are many switches which are on. Let's switch them, all of them off, in order not to use your data and protect your privacy online. Also inking and typing personalization, take it off. And the last one, location. Make sure the apps are not using your location if you want to protect your location. You can change, by default it is off, but you can change it from here to turn it on or off. You can also change particular apps by giving them specific permissions on and off, but this one turns all of them off. Good. The camera too, so here we don't want to give permissions for using our camera for these apps. Just turn it off. It's very important. The same for the microphone. So in order to protect your privacy, and you give permission only to the apps you want to use, for example the recorder or to Cortana or any other apps.
www.raqmedia.com.
Next one is voice activation. Scroll down and select voice activation. Turn it off too. The last setting is for personalization. Here you can personalize your windows by changing the background, the colors, the lock screen, themes, fonts, etc. backgrounds as you like to make it yours. You can also make it dark. You can also activate the dark mode. So I have light or dark, and select the dark mode. Lock screen, or the picture or slideshow, and select any colors you like, and the different options which are available for the taskbar. Here you can personalize them. And that's it. With this we have reached the end of this tutorial and hope we have helped you protect your privacy online and make best out of Windows 10 to increase your productivity. Enjoy your experience. Till next tutorial, this is your host Izzeddin. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com
Bye for now. See you next video.